Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert SPayLater to cash. For your information, SPayLater is a buy now, pay later service offered by the Shopee app in the Philippines. Now let's proceed to the first step, which is to check your SPayLater credit limit. Open your Shopee app and make sure your SPayLater account has enough available credit. The next step would be to use Shopee's QR code scanner. Tap the QR code icon on the Shopee home screen to access the scanner feature. For the third step, find a store with a Maya Business QR. Head to a nearby sari-sari store or merchant that uses the Maya Business app. Ask them to confirm if they accept Maya Business QR payments. Next, scan the QR code. Use Shopee's QR scanner to scan the store's Maya Business QR code. Step 5. Choose SPayLater to pay. Enter the amount you want to cash out within your SPayLater limit, then select SPayLater as the payment option. For step 6, confirm the payment. Authorize the transaction. The store receives the payment digitally and you receive the same amount in cash. And a quick note, some stores charge a service fee for this kind of service, in case you need to know. For important reminders, only use Maya Business app QR codes, not personal Maya accounts. This is a legal transaction, not a loan or cash advance hack. Spend wisely and make sure you can pay back your dues to avoid late fees or penalties. And that will be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.